Hello everyone, I'm Carol, the co-founder of SPIC and SPAN Home and Office Cleaning. Today, I'm excited to share with you how the professional teams tackle the challenging task of limescale removal. To add a little twist, we are showcasing the before and after photos up front instead of at the end. Witness the incredible transformation as we walk you through the process. The approach to limescale removal is meticulously planned. First, the team applies a specially formulated solvent that effectively breaks down the limescale. It's left on the affected areas for around 10 to 15 minutes, softening the stubborn limescale and making it easier to remove. The team uses specific equipment designed to protect your belongings. However, with severe cases, especially involving metal items, a slight risk of abrasion may persist despite careful techniques. Once the solvent has worked its magic, the team begins the careful scrubbing process. They apply more solvent as needed to ensure thorough removal and repeat this process 3 times to cover every nook and cranny. After the limescale is scrubbed away, any residual solvent is removed with specially designed microfiber cloths, leaving a clean, residue-free surface. Next, the team addresses any scratches or blemishes with a specialized restorative solution, effectively restoring the original look and finish of the treated area. Finally, a protective polish is applied. This not only enhances the appearance, but also protects against future limescale buildup, resulting in a long-lasting, visually pleasing transformation. Now, let's revisit the before and after images of the process. You'll be amazed to see the dramatic transformation with the majority of the limescale completely gone, replaced by beautifully restored surfaces. In conclusion, limescale removal requires expertise, specialized techniques, and meticulous attention to detail. At Speak and Span Home and Office Cleaning, the dedicated teams are committed to delivering outstanding results, freeing your spaces from the stubborn grip of limescale. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions or would like more details, please don't hesitate to check out our website or get in touch with our dedicated customer support team. You can find all our contact details on our website and at the end of this video.